Hello everyone, let's have a look at how to import customer data from OpenCart to WooCommerce. Go to the settings inside the WooCommerce tab. Here you can click on a OpenCart to Woo tab. First you need to connect your OpenCart store with WooCommerce in API settings. After a successful connection, go to the Customer's Import Settings tab. (501 customers available on OpenCart store. You can import all OpenCart customers or set various filters to import specific customers. Go to the Users tab. Here you can see we only have one customer. Let's go back to the Customer's Import Settings in OpenCart to Woo tab. Here we can set 6 customers to import from OpenCart to WooCommerce. Now go to the Run Import tab to import customers. Here you can see all 6 customers are imported from OpenCart to WooCommerce. Let's go back to Users tab to check. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.